creating a colorful rainbow with liquid density. Hey there, science buddies! Today, we're diving into a fun and colorful experiment that's all about liquid density and solutions. Have you ever wondered how you can create a rainbow in a jar? Well, not only are we going to do just that, but we're also going to learn about how the amount of sugar in different liquids affects their density. So grab your materials and let's get started. To make our colorful rainbow, you're going to need a few things. First, gather 5 clear glasses or cups. You'll also need 1 tall clear jar or glass to showcase your rainbow. Next, we need warm water and sugar. Make sure you have enough for each cup. We'll be using food coloring too, so grab red, orange, yellow, or green, blue, and purple. You'll need spoons for mixing, measuring spoons, make it a tablespoon, and if you have a syringe or dropper, that'll help with layering. Don't worry if you don't have one, we'll work with what we have. Before we jump into our experiment, let's chat about density for a moment. Density is simply how heavy something is for its size. For our experiment, we'll see how adding sugar to water changes its density. The more sugar we add, the denser the solution becomes. Dense liquids sink below lighter ones, similar to how oil floats on water. So stay tuned as we create layers of colors, watching each one float or sink depending on its density. Understanding this will help us see science in action. Now let's get our sugar solutions ready. Take your 5 clear cups and label them from 1 through 5. We want to make each cup have a different sugar solution, starting with cup 1. Pour in ½ cup of warm water and then add 5 tablespoons of sugar. That's the most sugar, and therefore the most dense solution. For cup 2, add 4 tablespoons of sugar into another ½ cup of water. Keep going. For cup 3, add 3 tablespoons. For cup 4, 2 tablespoons. And finally, for cup 5, just 1 tablespoon. Mix each cup thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved. This is super important. Finally, it's time to add food coloring. A few drops of red in cup 1, orange in cup 2, yellow or green in cup 3, blue in cup 4, and purple in cup 5. This way, we'll have a vibrant rainbow. Now for the exciting part, layering our liquids to create that stunning rainbow. Start with your most dense solution in cup 1. Carefully pour it into your tall jar. And here's a tip. Tilt the jar slightly and pour the liquid down the back of a spoon to make sure it doesn't mix with the next layer. Next, take cup 2 with the orange solution and pour it slowly over the spoon. This helps maintain that beautiful separation. Keep repeating this process with cup 3, yellow-green, cup 4, blue, and finally cup 5, purple. If done carefully, you should see each layer staying beautifully distinct, like a rainbow in a jar. Take your time, it's all about patience and gentle pouring. Look at that! If you followed along carefully, you should see a gorgeous rainbow of colors layered one on top of the other. Isn't that stunning? Each colored layer represents a different density, with the red layer being the densest at the bottom and the purple layer floating on top. This demonstration beautifully shows how the sugar content in each solution can change how that liquid behaves, either sinking or floating. You can experiment with different amounts of sugar next time to see how it changed the outcome. What a fantastic experiment! We created a colorful rainbow while learning about liquid density at the same time. Be sure to try this at home with a grown-up if you haven't already. It's super fun. I'd love to know how your rainbow turned out, so drop your results or any variations you tried in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science experiments that you can try at home. See you next time.